Did you know that you can count products in seconds with RFID instead of counting them one by one? The RFID fast count system allows for quick counting and tracking of products in an environment. This system facilitates various operations such as stock tracking and inventory management of the store. RFID fast count system is a kind of inventory control technology that uses RFID tag, RFID antenna, and RFID readers to count and track items quickly and accurately. It helps with the availability and correct placement of products. RFID fast count system can be used in all areas where counting can be done, such as stores, warehouses, hospitals, and factories. For more information, you can contact us and follow our social media accounts.